my beautiful people. Cook Sunday lunch with me. So, for lunch today, we had mutton stew with roasted butternut and rice. And she most definitely was a goodie. If you want a full tutorial on how I made the stew, please let me know down below in the comment section, or if you have any questions or comments, please be sure to leave them down below. I would like to say thank you to everybody that has been liking and watching my videos, and also that has been subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much. I am truly grateful and I appreciate it so much. The stew, it tasted so good because today was nice and cold. I absolutely love it when it's cold, and the meat was so nice and tender, so good. I will be uploading a tutorial tomorrow on my channel on how I made these roasted butternuts. Oh, tasted so good. Like, I saw this recipe on Instagram while I was going through Instagram Reels, and I told myself I'm definitely gonna try it out, and I love it. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Have a blessed Sunday.